guys, Sailor. So I'm gonna be starting from another angle again. Imagine that you wake up from your slumber in bus and realize that the bus driver has taken you to the wrong place, knowing fully well that trailer doesn't plow your road. Only for your eyes to just clear and you realize that you are in your room. In fact, that trailer was your roommate that was snoring. So guys, welcome to the Wellness Tribe where we'll talk about health, lifestyle, and everything in between. Now, the funny part about this snoring, all those snorers, is when you tell them, not even when you tell them, they are the ones enjoying the sleep. Now, we that we are awake, we that are the roommates, we are the ones that are always suffering it. And when you tell them that, how far guy, you dey always snore for sleep, oh, you get, no, me, no, I know they snore, I know they snore, I know they snore. My guy, you dey snore. Make I record am for you, you dey snore. So today I'm gonna be talking about different reasons why people snore and when snoring is not actually healthy. Now, the first point is that maybe you are overweight. Now, people that are overweight often have extra fat in their throat, making their lungs clog, so they can't help it but to snore at night. The second reason is when you are lying down on your back. Now, when you are lying down on your back, you know that your tongue is blocking your airway. So the air that you release is going to come out as snoring. The third reason why people can snore is the body anatomy. Naturally, there are people that they have this thin airway and large tonsils. So they just cannot control it. They will snore because there's not enough air is not coming out. The air coming out is forced. Now, what are the no? Let me not come to the solution. When is snoring not healthy? Like when do you need to start panicking when someone is snoring? That's when you have sleep apnea. When you stop breathing. When you notice that your roommate stop breathing when they are sleeping. Number two is when they just wake up and gasp. Like you're wait, let me drama. I will do the drama. Let's say something like that. That is a symptom of sleep apnea. You need to run to the doctor. The third symptom that you need to say no is when you sleep after your long sleep, that okay, you were snoring at night, we know you need that you were enjoying your sleep at night, then you wake up feeling tired or stressed. That's another sign of sleep apnea. You need to see your doctor. Now, what are the solutions to all these things? Because I will not just tell you who. That's why the wellness tribe is here. We will not just tell you the problem, we will prefer you solutions. Now, for somebody that is sleeping, for your sleeping posture, adjust your sleep posture. You can either sleep on your side, or you, like the babies, they used to face ground when they are sleeping and just put the neck like this. The third one is watch your weight. If you are overweight, hit the gym. Follow the NGC. Go to gym. And there are some that you cannot just control. Now, there was this controversy in our class. Are everybody snorers? Because our lecturer said that we are sleeping, so we don't know whether we are snoring or not. Now, I made my personal research. Yes, most people snore, but there are some that are God's favorite that don't snore at all. Now, when you are tired, when you overwork, that I forgot a point. One other thing that makes you snore is when you take alcohol. When you take alcohol at night, the solution is not to just take alcohol. It makes your the wall of your throat, it makes it weak. Then aging too also makes the wall of the throat weak too.
Snoring, 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 snoring. I used to have this uncle. Oh, there's no how. She said if you change position, the person will the person will sleep better. Uncle. What's his name? What's his name? Sorry, I can't remember his name right now, but uncle, you slow. I swear, if a baby is 10 miles away, they will hear you when you are sleeping. I'm sorry. This I'm saying is out of love. But there's no for me, oh, I don't believe in changing position. A snorer is a snorer if there's a word. Because if you snore, I'm remembering it and it's just making me laugh. But for me, I don't think there's even a cure for snoring. I don't think there's a cure for snoring. So, peace out. Hi guys, it's Osa. So on this issue of not everybody snores, Abby. I think everybody snores, sha, but it depends on how stressed you are. And you're the type that does not snore. Or if you're the type that snores, one thing I know that always works for people that snores is to change their position, the way they lie down. When you're lying on your back, just change to your side. I know that one used to work for my siblings that time. When they are snoring, we change the way they are lying down. It used to help. So don't snore.
The solution is when you want to sleep, do not take alcohol. Reduce your alcohol intake or don't just take alcohol at all when you want to sleep. Now, on back to the track of does everybody snore? Not everybody snores. There are some people that there are factors that make them snore, like when they are too tired, when they take alcohol and all that. Some people snore, but you will not even notice it. It's just going to be all those soft ones. So not everybody are snorer. Some people are God's favorite. All right. Bye bye.